Come here. Well, hurry up and come here. Come here, I got a good one for you right here. Come here. Right here. You coming? Come on. Come on, I got it for you right here. Come on. Come on. One of y'all got to do something. One of y'all got to give up and go around. You coming? Hurry up for that woodpecker. Come on down here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here, right here. Come, hurry up and get out of my fence to that woodpecker. Come on down here. Come on. Hurry up. You coming? I'll put them right here like this then. Okay, woodpecker, you ready? You ready, woodpecker? Come on. Come on down here then. Come on down here then. Woodpecker, you coming? Squirrel being a little shy. Two squirrels being shy. You coming? Come on. Come here. Oh, there's two of y'all right there. You got that one, didn't you? Get on down there and get you one too. Come on. Get you one too. That's lockjaw and fatso. I mean, so fat. That was lockjaw and so fat. I mean, fatso. You coming? Come on. There's two woodpeckers up there. Come on. You coming? Hurry up so I can sit back down. My back is killing me. I'm getting dizzy. Okay, I'll take one more step backwards. That was one more backwards right there, sideways. I took one sideways backwards, You gonna come on? Come on. Two of them sitting right there on that limb. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video. I ain't gonna record y'all. I ain't gonna record you. I ain't gonna record you. Here come that squirrel back for nothing right there. Here come that squirrel back right there. Here come that lockjaw right there. There's lockjaw right there. That's lockjaw right there. That's lockjaw. All right, the woodpeckers right there. Two of them right there sitting on the limb just looking. You coming? Come on. I'm talking to you. You coming? Come on. Come on. That's all you want was that one? What you gonna do when that bird come down here? Bird want one, ain't none left. That's lockjaw right there. That's lockjaw right there. There's that woodpecker right there. There come that woodpecker right there. There's that woodpecker right there. I know, come on down right there and get on the boat. Get on the fence and then get on the boat. I know. A lot of talking you're doing right now. You wasn't talking a while ago. I know, I hear you. Me and you were talking about that yesterday. We never did finish talking about it, did we? Come on. I know, get on the fence. Get on the fence. Better hurry up before that squirrel gets down there and gets all of them. There goes that squirrel right there getting nothing. Well, I'm gonna have to go in there and get some more pecans. You need to move. You need to move. Let that squirrel come down here. I mean, that bird come down here. Come on down here, woodpecker. Come on, I'll run the squirrel off. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get on the boat now. I know. Get on the boat. Come on. Hurry up for Lockjaw. Here comes Lockjaw again right there now. Lockjaw, you need to move from there, Lockjaw. Lockjaw, move on. Move, Lockjaw. Move, Lockjaw. Come on down there, woodpecker. There's one left now. Come on. Woodpecker, there's one left. I'm gonna stop this video. I'm gonna go get some more pecans.